Okay, so today we're doing a deep dive into subscription commerce, specifically that FabFitFun Winter 2025 box. We're working off a recent video analysis we saw.
Yeah, exactly. And our mission really is just to quickly unpack whether this box, it's what, $80?
80 bucks.
Yeah,
Yeah.
whether this $80 box actually gives you that huge value they promise, or if it's, more hype than substance.
Right. So for $80, you're getting 6 items. It's a mix, isn't it? Like beauty things, maybe a candle,
Today,
pajamas.
wellness goods, that kind of stuff. Pitched as like a seasonal refresh delivered right to you.
And the source we looked at really highlighted the experience first.
Oh yeah, the presentation. They mentioned the packaging's actually nice, often reusable.
Yeah.
Makes the whole unboxing thing feel a bit special.
Like a little event, yeah. And discovery is part of it too, right? Finding brands you might not normally buy.
Definitely. They mentioned Glow Recipe,
Mm-hmm.
Mayad, popular names.
Names people recognize, so it feels curated, makes it feel a bit more premium, perhaps.
Exactly. That's the hook. But, okay, let's shift gears a bit from the nice box to the mechanics of it. Because the real key to getting value seems to be about choice.
Choice. Okay, yeah, the customization aspect. How does that actually work?
Well, it's tiered. That's the important part. There are 6 items in this winter box. If you pay for the whole year upfront, the annual membership, you get to pick all 6.
All 6. Across all the categories, like beauty, home, fashion.
Yep. Full control. You choose everything. That's where you can really maximize things theoretically.
Okay, but what if you just pay season by season?
Ah, see, that's different. Seasonal members, they only get to choose 4 of the 6 items.
Oh, only 4. So the other 2 are just chosen for you.
Chosen for them by FabFitFun, yeah.
Yeah.
So right away, there's less chance that every single item is something you actually want or need. It kind of impacts how you feel about the box's value personally.
Okay. But the big claim is still that the total value of those 6 items is way higher than the $80 you paid, right? Like hundreds of dollars sometimes.
That's the core promise, yeah. But this is where the source material got pretty skeptical.
Skeptical how?
Well, a couple of big things. First, apparently, it's not always clear how often all the advertised desirable items are actually available to pick. Like, the really popular stuff might run out fast.
Ah, so you might not even get the choice you thought you had.
Potentially, yeah.
Yeah.
And second, and this is crucial, the listed value, that big retail price they quote for each item. The source wasn't convinced it always matches the actual price you'd find elsewhere if you just shopped around.
So the items might be on sale somewhere else, or maybe it's older stock, or the suggested retail price is just inflated a bit.
Could be any of those things.
Yeah.
It makes that huge total value number feel a bit uncertain. Raises questions about the real market worth.
Okay, so putting it all together, the high value really depends on being an annual member, getting lucky with item availability, and choosing wisely, and also kind of accepting their listed retail prices, even if they might be a bit high compared to shopping around.
That's pretty much the picture, yeah. FabFitFun seems fun. It's curated. You get popular brands if you have that high customization level from being an annual member.
But for seasonal folks, it's more of a gamble on those last 2 items, and that big value number is maybe not as solid.
Seems that way based on the analysis we saw. The value proposition is definitely more questionable for seasonal subscribers.
Right. So the final thought for you listening, if you're considering this, you have to weigh those uncertainties. You know, the item availability issues, the questions around the actual market price versus the listed one. How much is just the fun and convenience of someone else picking out cool stuff really worth to you?
That's the calculation you need to make. Is the discovery aspect enough?